everybody. I gotta silence everything. Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. You guys, I was playing in the brand new OFRA collab. It's with Cooking Ami, I think is how you say her name. I am so outside my comfort zone and I'm living. I love it so much. I'm gonna make sure to link her collection below. I loved everything from the eye look I created to the lip duo. It is beautiful. Of course, code HOTMESS is going to save you the 20%. I'm in love. Like, I love it so much. So anyways, huge congratulations to her. I did actually film a short and a reel that will be going up, so make sure to follow me on my other socials if you want to see it. I'll try and make a short for over here on YouTube as well. Over on Instagram and on TikTok, it's Hotmess Momma of 4. So anyways, before we jump into today's video, which is the Chic Beauty Box bi-monthly subscription unboxing, a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel each and every single month. To those of you that are clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, a big ginormous thank you. And to those of you that is sharing my videos over on Facebook, can I just say a big ginormous thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into our Chic Beauty Box unboxing. I think they gave us a coupon code. I'll have it listed for you guys. I honestly can't remember if it's Hotmess or Rhonda, but either way, I will have it down in the description box, and I will also try to remember to pin it in the comments section below. The nice thing with the Chic Beauty Box is this is a bi-monthly subscription, and you do get to actually customize this box. So the nice thing with the Chic Beauty Box is it is very customizable. You're going to see different versions. I'm pretty sure of everyone who unboxes this. Anyways, they did send it over in PR, so big ginormous thank you to Chic Beauty Box for thinking about your girl. I greatly appreciate it. So this is what it looks like, and this actually is the May-June box. The first thing that I see here is the Too Faced Lip Injection Ultimate Plumper. Now this does have a retail value of $29, and I like lip plumpers. Now some people assume like when they're using a lip plumper it's to make the lips literally plump and big and juicy, which I mean, wouldn't we all love that? I do get lip filler, but honestly the only thing that I notice a lip plumper actually do is help fill in the fine lines on your lips, and I like that. And some are a bit more tingly than others. I personally don't feel like this is uncomfortable, but I'm also an oddball, and I apparently have a high pain tolerance, so I don't know if you can trust me, but I mean, I do like them. Let's see if this one has a scent. Yeah, it has like a nice kind of fruity yummy scent. I like them. That's a good one. Next in here we have the OFRA Cosmetics South Beach Bronzer. I love seeing OFRA and things. So this actually is a $35 retail value, and the other item that you may have seen in here is the OFRA Cosmetics X's and Glow Highlighter. That's really good. And as far as the Too Faced goes, you may have picked the Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick. Ooh, I love that. I don't think I have this in my collection. Why do I act like it's gonna smell like chocolate? I love that you can mix this or you can use it individually. That is beautiful. I love that. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, Charlotte Tilbury is in here. Oh my gosh, and let me just tell you, it's the Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. I love her formula. Oh, it went up against the Cap Cosmetics Day Night Eyeshadow Palette. You guys, if you haven't made your picks, do not pick the Cap Cosmetics one. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's so not worth the $52 price tag, but this, oh, I don't have this one. This is so flippin' beautiful. Retail value of $56. This to me is so flippin' beautiful. Oh, it's so soft and creamy and dreamy. Everyday wear. I've been doing a ton of swatches, so that probably looked like a funny little swatch. Here's some of the shades. You guys, I am telling you, it's a yes for me. This is so exciting. Honestly, if you think back, 2019, Rhonda was talking about, I want to see Charlotte Tilbury in subscription boxes. And I think her bronzer maybe was in an Allure box a month or two ago, but I've never, honestly, I've never seen any of her quads. This is stunning. Ah, the best box I think that I've ever gotten from Chic Beauty Box. Okay, we got 2 more items. The next is the Color Riche by L'Oreal Matte. This I think is a lip liner. It does say it's Color Riche Matte Sharpable Lip Liner, $9.99. Now when it comes to Chic Beauty Box, you're gonna see a variety of brands from high-end luxury to drugstore. And I mean, honestly, the drugstore ones I've gotten, I think there was a couple in the beginning, Almay ones that I did receive that I wasn't like over excited about. But for the most part, I feel like we typically see like Revlon or L'Oreal. I think NYX has been in here too. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, I think this was a really smart choice that they came up with the color. So I'm gonna put it over here because look at, oh, I love that color. It's definitely like a nudie with a pink undertone type of lip liner. It's nice, it's creamy, it's kind of like a gel formula, and it matches the Charlotte Tilbury quad flipping perfectly. And honestly, if you were to color your entire lip with that, put the lip injection on, you got yourself a nice little look. All right, so that would have been either, I guess, a completely different color. So either way, you were looking at getting a lip liner from L'Oreal, which I don't know why I don't think to pick up more of them. I'm pretty obsessed with the Gerard Cosmetics lip liners, and that's probably why. Your girl gets stuck in her ways, you know what I mean? All right, last in here, we do have a blush. This blush is by CoverGirl, and it does have a retail value of $14.42, and it's actually really pretty and matches my dress, and honestly matches the quad. I'm so excited. I think this is the best one. Look at this beautiful berry tone. Honestly, this to me could also be an eyeshadow. Ooh, that's pretty. And it's not too crazy over the top. Like, you can build that up. Yeah, don't be scared of it, guys. Don't be scared. All right, let me just tell you right now, hands down, the best subscription I've seen from them. Chic Beauty Box, you outdid yourself, because you know what I really, really love? A couple things. I love getting a ton of makeup in the subscription boxes, okay? Another thing that I love is when I feel like they actually sat down and like laid everything out and made it coordinate. You know what I'm saying? So maybe they started, say, with this beautiful quad. Again, this is in her Pillow Talk Dream. And so they started off with this beautiful kind of very neutrally everyday look. And then they're like, okay, this lip liner is gonna be very complimentary to it. We've got some lip injection. It's a clear with a hint of a tint of pink. You're not probably gonna notice it, but you can always make a lipstick pretty much using this pencil that's gonna, again, complement your entire eye look. On top of that, they said, oh, you gotta be a little bronzy, a little glowy, a little cutesy. We'll give you the OFRA Cosmetics bronzer. And you know, we're not for sure what shade you're gonna be, so here, let's give you their duo. I love that. You can also use these on your eyes. Beautiful. And then they say, we're gonna give your cheeks a little hint of a tint of a color too. Boom, you've got your CoverGirl blush. Everything complements each other. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. They all work together. There's literally not one product in here that I'm like, hey guys, I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway. Hey guys, I'm gonna give this to Haley. I'm sorry, I'm gonna be stingy this time. I love this. This was very, 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 very great. Now, if you chose something other than the CoverGirl cheek blush, it would be the Rimmel London Jelly Blush. So you may have chosen that one. But honestly, this variation, it's not even listed on here. So that's what I'm talking about when it comes to variations. It's all about what you want. You're making the pick. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below on the products that we saw in the Chic Beauty Box. If you guys are clicking on the Chic Beauty Box for the first time unboxing, I am so glad that you guys are seeing this video, because this video, hands down, 110% would get me to sign up. And I know they gave us a coupon. Like I said, I think it's Hot Mess, and it saves you 10% off your first box. And I'm pretty sure the first box is like $35 under that with the coupon code. So for $35, honestly, y'all, I still say it's a great deal. I mean, these two products right here alone, you're making your money. You're making your money just off of this. You're breaking even with this. So way to go, Chic Beauty Box. I am so excited. I'm so flippin' excited. So let me know your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear, what did you choose in your box? Was there other items to pick from? I don't know. So you're gonna have to let your girl know down below. Anyways, that is all for today's little unboxing. Stay tuned because I am slowly but surely doing reels and shorts and TikToks showing the makeup, and like I said, this will be coming very soon over on my other socials at Hotmess Momma of 4. Make sure to give me a follow over there. Feel free to please share this video over on Facebook and let others know about the Chic Beauty Box, because they do have a nice little referral plan where you refer a friend using their QR code that you'll get on your card. And guess what? Give your friends and family an exclusive 20% off their box. But that's not all. When they sign up, you'll also receive a free $10 credit in your Chic Beauty Box account. So you're literally, girl math, making money off your subscription. Say less. Anyways, friends, check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for curvy girl fashion hauls over there, Hotmess in the house. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. Haley and I are back with our podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.